Introducing 5 weird birds with unbelievable specialties. Lyrebird, the incredible lyrebird, renowned for its unparalleled mimicry skills. Be astounded as it flawlessly imitates the calls of other birds, human voices, and even mechanical sounds. Shoebill, an African bird boasting a bill reminiscent of a shoe, enabling it to snatch fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles from its surroundings. Secretary bird, the majestic secretary bird, an avian predator native to Africa. Marvel at its long legs, striking crest of feathers, and awe-inspiring stomping prowess used to subdue prey.